Morning, everyone. It's 9:05. Sorry, I'm a little late this morning. Pre-opening comment number 1441 um, for Thursday morning. And because it's Thursday, it is claims day. Initial claims 222,000. That's down 6,000, while continuing claims went the other way at 1,473,000, up 36,000. Asia mixed, Europe slightly higher, especially on the ECB raising rates by 0.75. So they're lining up a little bit more closely with us. Futures are down on the day. They've been all over the place. Right now, we have the Dow down about, well, let me give you the S&P. S&P is down 18. Dow is down 98. And the NASDAQ is down 82. We've really been all over the place, but before the last 10 or 15 minutes, it was up 20, down 20 across the board, with the S&P unchanged to down $3. So we're clearly moving in the downside direction. Okay, Bob Iger says that moviegoers will probably not reach levels from prior pre-pandemic, and frankly, he should know. Okay, American Eagle with a miss, traded down as low as 960. Last is 1020, down $1.39 or 12%. Asana, big beat, great guidance. Stock traded as high as 23.90. Last is 23.34, and that's up over $4. But the real news there is that one of their board members, Dustin Moskowitz, no relation, he did something that I don't think I have any relatives that could do. He bought $350 million worth of Asana stock. So, Uncle Dustin, give me a call. GME, a better than expected loss, lower than expected loss. Stock closed 24.04, traded as high as 26.95. Last is 25.84, and that's up $1.77 or 7.4%. McCormick, the spice maker, closed 85 yesterday. Had preliminary numbers overnight, and they took the stock down to 78.87. Last is 79.46, and that's down 5.54 or 6.5%. And the biggest news that I can see is on AMLX, AMLX. This is an ALS treatment. What's interesting here is that 5 days ago the stock went down 20%. When the FDA said they had more questions. Today's news is that the FDA suggests that they would issue an NDA on this drug. The stock today is 34, up about 14.10, or it's at 79%. So pretty decent. Chart on the screen is the dollar. Dollar came down pretty hard yesterday after trading at 110.78. Finished down on the day and pretty close to the low. I discussed this last night. Today it is a little bit lower, much lower high, slightly lower low, and down only about 14 cents. But I know this is a pretty steep trend line, and it may not hold here, but we've seen this kind of action before. New high, coming back down a little, and 2 weeks or 3 weeks later making new highs. Same situation here, goes sideways. Looks like it might break down here and turns up and goes higher. 2 weeks. This is a much longer consolidation, but a really nice flag and moving higher. So we'll have to see how this shakes out. This is not a 1 or 2 day trade. This is something that Dennis was telling me he's now short the dollar with a close stop because it may be a change in trend. Okay, oil up 91 cents, nat gas down a little over a penny, gasoline up, heating oil down, gold unchanged to slightly lower. This was higher this morning by about $10. Silver still holding up on the upside, but it was substantially higher. It's currently trading 1839. It was up as high as 1859. So we'll see whether we get any more action there. The dollar, as I said, was down. Bitcoin and Ethereum higher. The British pound is basically unchanged on the interest rate hike news, and the bonds are down 5/32, so about an eighth of a dollar. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there.